In this video, we give the exact same prompts to Lovable and Bolt and see which one does better designing my brand new feature. Hi, my name is Peter, senior UX designer for 10 years, turned AI builder, software engineer. On this channel, we talk about everything SaaS and building successful businesses. So I spoke to my users and they all want some sort of feature that shows them what's happening in the city. They also want to see what their partners' favorites are. So on the website, you can add date ideas as favorites. They'll like to know what their partner has favorited, and then they could schedule a surprise date with your partner. It's quite nice. So the first thing I'm going to do is go into ChatGPT. This works with any LLM, but basically I'm just going to yap and talk about what the users want. And then at the end of it, I'm going to tell ChatGPT to rewrite this as a prompt using best practice. So this is something I've learned, to use AI to write better prompts. And let's see what it came up with. All right, I like it so far. It looks good. Now let's plug this into Lovable and let's plug this into Bolt. While Lovable is doing its thing, I go to bolt.new and paste the exact same prompt. Okay, this is how it looks. So let's start with Lovable. I like it. I like the minimal aesthetic. I should have included how events look on it, but I do like the use of colors. It's quite minimal, quite clean. I really love the toggles. There's a little bit of animation, the hover state. I like the fact they added combined favorites. It's quite cool. That's the today. It looks really good. I love the animation. Let's see what the odd partner looks like. I love dialogue. Looks quite simple. Can I do a test? Will this work? Let's just say g@gmail.com. Oh, that's nice. All right, so add partner is nice. I would have loved if the UI was intuitive to remove partner or maybe edit, but it looks really good so far. Now let's see what Bolt did. Okay, so this is Bolt. It has more use of colors. I do like it actually shows me an event that Lovable didn't. That is today. I like the toggles. It's quite nice. And then let's see what add partner looks like. Okay, it's not in a dialogue. Let's go g@gmail.com. Okay, so it doesn't seem to be responsive. Oh, okay, that's partner connected, but it's hidden in the dialogue, which isn't the best UI. It should show me somewhere on here, which is not the worst thing, but it could be an improvement. Let's export to Google Calendar. Oh, there's problems detected. Let's attempt to fix that. All right, so this were the missing icons. So I like the fact that it's added lots of events. Lovable, for some reason, didn't add events. Might be a bug somewhere. It looks really cool. It even added a dialogue so you can see. It's good. Let's try exporting all city events, my favorites. Okay, export doesn't work. Share calendar. Share calendar also doesn't work. Okay. All right, so this is my final verdict. Lovable did great UI-wise. I love the minimal appeal. I love how the aesthetic of it. I was very big on aesthetic in my prompt, and it really stuck to that. Bolt.new, the aesthetic was decent, but Lovable wins when it comes to the UI look. Now, when it comes to functionality, I noticed that Bolt went above and beyond. It actually created sample events, gave them dialogues. So when it comes to functionality, I have to give Bolt. Which one am I going to fork or export or actually use? It's going to be both. I love the aesthetic of Lovable. I love the UI concepts, but for this round, I have to give both because of the functionality. So what I'm going to do is export the both version and then just grab the UI look and try to match that UI into what I've already done on both. It was hard to choose. Both of these work. It was hard to choose, and that's really the point of this video. Both of these gave me a great starting point. The differences were minimal. I'm sure with another prompt, Lovable could win. I use Lovable as well. It's interesting that before I would go into Figma and have to design this myself and figure out all the states, but AI is thinking ahead of me. And it's even looking better than what I would have designed in a shorter period of time. So it's a great starting point. You will need to implement UI and UX principles, but this just shows the power of AI. I'm starting a community of AI builders where we get to build features and products. Click the link below to join.